Heather McKelvey, VP of Engineering. When we built the dynamic firewall, we actually virtualized it such that we have the firewalls running on all of our nodes and all of our data centers. When a customer requests the creation of a firewall, they create the firewall, they create the security groups, and they indicate what VMs will be covered by that firewall. A request comes in either through the customer portal or through our APIs. And that request is sent to our net director, which is responsible for coordinating the instantiation of the firewalls. The customer portal also goes through our APIs, and the net director receives the request. The net director then sets the information in its local database and synchronizes the data across the net directors running in our other data centers. This allows the creation of the firewall in all data centers, and we'll get back to that in a minute. The net director determines what VMs are covered by the firewall and sends a request to every node that has a VM running that is covered by that firewall. On the node is an area called DOM0, which is responsible for support of I/O and network operations for all guest VMs, which are our customer VMs. In DOM0, there's something called a net performer. That net performer instantiates the firewall, sets the rules for that VM. It takes the VM out of bridged mode and puts it into routing mode. And once the rules are set in the networking tables within DOM0, from then on, all calls coming into the VM are intercepted at DOM0, and the firewall takes responsibility for determining whether it's appropriate for that request to go through or not. Because this is happening at the DOM0 level, and it's instantiated across all the nodes, when your VM moves, your firewall is automatically there. If you have set up for automatic failover between our data centers, the mere fact that the net director took that information and synced it across data centers means when your traffic fails over from your Virginia data center to your Amsterdam data center, those firewalls are automatically in place and protecting your VMs as that traffic fails over. So this allows you to set up your firewall once and have it synced across all your VMs within a data center and across data centers.
We offer at GoGrid is called Cloud Bridge. So Cloud Link is connectivity between our data centers. Cloud Bridge is connectivity from anywhere into the cloud. So this sounds a lot like VPN, but what's a little bit different about